Welcome to this tutorial on PowerShell package management. Today, we're focusing on install-package, a powerful CMDlet that allows you to automate software installation directly from your PowerShell command line. This is part of our series on package management in PowerShell, where we explore how to efficiently manage software on your Windows system. Install-package is a PowerShell CMDlet that installs software packages from registered package sources using the package management module. Think of it as a centralized command that connects to various package repositories, downloads the software you need, and installs it automatically, all without requiring you to visit websites, download installers manually, or click through installation wizards. Install-package offers several key advantages. First, it provides automated installation, eliminating the need for manual downloads or traditional installers. Second, it offers a unified interface, meaning you can use one consistent command regardless of which package provider you're working with. Third, it handles dependency management automatically, installing any required dependencies alongside your main package. Finally, it gives you version control, allowing you to install specific versions of packages as needed for your environment. The basic syntax for install-package is straightforward. You type install-package, followed by the -name parameter, and then the name of your package in quotes. This is the simplest form of the command and is often all you need to get started. For example, install-package-name package name will search for and install the specified package from your configured package sources. Let's explore the most commonly used parameters. The -name parameter specifies which package you want to install. The -RequiredVersion parameter lets you install a specific version instead of the latest one. The -source parameter allows you to specify which package repository to use if you have multiple sources configured. Finally, the -force parameter bypasses confirmation prompts and warnings, which is useful for automation scripts. Here are some basic installation examples. To install 7-zip, you would type install-package-name 7-zip. For Notepad++, the command would be install-package-name Notepad++. By default, these commands will prompt you for confirmation before proceeding with the installation, allowing you to review what will be installed. Now let's look at more advanced examples. To install a specific version of Git, you would use install-package-name git-requiredversion 2.40.0. If you want to bypass confirmation prompts, perhaps in an automated script, you would add the -force parameter. For instance, install-package-name Python-force will install Python without asking for confirmation. Let's recap what we've learned. Install-package automates software installation through PowerShell, saving you time and effort. It works with multiple package providers through a single unified interface, making package management consistent and predictable. The CMDlet supports version control and dependency management, giving you precise control over your software environment. Remember to use parameters like -name, -RequiredVersion, and -force to customize the installation process according to your needs. Thank you for watching, and happy scripting.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.